Standard 9th Science and Technology Part 1st, Chapter number 4, Measurement of Matter. In this video, we are going to study about the molecular mass and the concept of mole. First of all, in this video, we will emphasize on the molecular mass. Now, how to calculate molecular mass of different substances. Here, the atomic masses in Dalton of different elements are given below, and from which we can deduce the molecular masses of different substances. Atomic masses are given like this. Here the elements are shown, and in bracket the respective atomic masses are given. From this we will deduce the molecular masses of some substances as below. The molecular mass of sodium chloride NaCl can be deduced like this. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus atomic mass of chlorine is put here, which is 35.5. A simple summation is there, 58.5. It is in Dalton, that is in atomic mass unit. Now, molecular mass of MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride. Here, atomic mass of magnesium is 24, which is given here, plus now atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5, and these are taken twice, that means 2 times. Therefore, 35.5 is multiplied by 2. Therefore, 24 plus 35.5 into 2, that is 71. And this summation will be equal to 95 Dalton. Now, the molecular mass of KNO3, that is potassium nitrate. Here, the atomic mass of K, that is potassium, is 39, that is put here. Then that of nitrogen is 14, which is put here, plus O3, atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and it is for 3 times, therefore into 3. Therefore 39 plus 14 is equal to 53 plus 16 into 3, that is 48. This summation will be equal to 101 Dalton. Now, next is molecular mass of H2O2, that is of hydrogen peroxide. Here, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, but 2 atoms are taken, therefore 1 is multiplied by 2, plus atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16, but this is for 2 times, therefore 16 into 2. Therefore 2 into 1 is equal to 2, and 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Therefore 2 plus 32 will be equal to 34 Dalton. Now the molecular mass of aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3. Again we will put the atomic mass of aluminium, which is 27 Dalton, plus Cl3, that means chlorine is taken for 3 times, that is 35.5 into 3. That multiplication will 106.5 plus 27, that will be equal to 133.5 Dalton. Now next is molecular mass of calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice. Is atomic mass of calcium is 40, then into bracket, that means this OH2 is to be taken into bracket, and here atomic mass of oxygen is 16 plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, that is 16 plus 1. This is taken for 2 times. This bracket is totally multiplied by 2. Therefore, 40 plus 16 plus 1, that is 17. 17 into 2, that is equal to 34. Therefore, the summation will be 74 Dalton. Now, the next compound or next substance is magnesium oxide. Now, molecular mass of magnesium oxide can be deduced like this. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24, that is put here, plus atomic mass of oxygen 16 is put here. 24 plus 16 is equal to 40 Dalton. Now next is of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. From this formula we can take atomic mass of hydrogen 1 taken 2 times, therefore 1 into 2 plus S, that is atomic mass of sulfur is 32, plus oxygen having atomic mass 16 taken 4 times, therefore 16 into 4. Therefore 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 32 is taken as it is, and 16 into 4 is equal to 64. Therefore this summation will be equal to 98 Dalton. Now the next compound is nitric acid, and from this formula we will take the atomic masses like this. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and it is taken for 3 times, therefore multiplied by 3. Therefore 1 plus 14 is equal to 15, plus 16 into 3 is equal to 48. This 15 plus 48 will be equal to 63 Dalton. Now next is molecular mass of sodium hydroxide. Atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23, atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16, and atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1. By taking the summation of all these values, we will get molecular mass of sodium hydroxide 40 Dalton. Thank you.